I heard that young ladies is going missing like crazy. Kids is going missing like crazy. No one is talking about it.
Fever grass.
No, other fever. It look like you knife.
I know fever
No,
grass.
I know fever grass. A bush. Yeah, man. So, people, you can't in a country and know say you have the big man that take with the young girls, man take with the young boys them. I only know the people them. I only know these people. And you keeping quiet. And those who's coming from America, England and these other countries coming back to Jamaica, is it they come from Africa? They're scared. There's people right now that's contact me, is asking me if Jamaica. Yo, Jam Tour.
Yeah.
One minute at Tanzania.
Yeah.
You know how much people ask me if Jamaica is safe because they're Jamaicans, they want to go back there,
Yeah.
but they're afraid because they're being targeted.
Yeah, true that.
Jamaicans do better than that, man. You can't have the people them and you have them afraid to come back in the country to invest their money to build the economy so the economy can grow. It's not right. The people have to feel safe and secure. So when I see a elder come back in the country and them try to do something, even build and to live, accept them. Yeah man, accept them because our own. Love each other, love one another. You understand? So the man who will take with the young girls them, and stop it. It's not good. Stop taking with the young girls them, make them bloom, make them grow. The man who will take with the big woman, the teachers them, because I heard a lot of teachers are missing. Teachers are going missing like crazy in the yard. They can't do that, man. What kind of style that, man? And the big workless man, they won't sit down and watch man and take with it. And I see I'm a virgin that and no dog, you can't friend man like that. We don't want no friends like that. Put your people first. Put the country first. No matter what, just protect everyone. You no matter who the people is, who the person is. Unity and love, and that way I deal with it. Love and unity and strength. So I don't want to hear say this is a person that got missing. Teacher take taxi. And I know a lady, my ex. I used to have a girlfriend, an ex-girlfriend. You understand? When I came to Africa, we came here together. She's my ex. And actually, she used to tell me that when she was working in Jamaica as a female, she's small in body and she's, small in body, she's petite. And she says two time taxi drivers in Jamaica try to take her away. 2 times she's taking taxi from home to go to work to take care of her kids. Yo, it hurt when she was telling me this. My ex I'm telling you about. When we were together, she was telling me the story. When she was telling me this, it hurt my feelings because I'm saying, yo, it feel like me just want to beat up somebody. And she showed me the taxi guy and said, that's the guy. I would have beat him up. That is the way I feel. It hurt me. She said 2 times. The last time she had to play with the guy. She go in the guy's taxi, and these are taxis she been taking, it's route taxi. She go into the guy's car to go to work one early morning, and the guy take a detour. And she's asking him, why is he going this way? And the guy's not saying nothing. The guy's like, a long time I want to see, a long time I like you, Yo, a long time I want you. You understand? Something like that. And she have to play to the guy. Say, please, I have kids. The guy not listen. Somehow only insane. She has to she have kids. She have to trick the guy. Tell the guy that she's going to give it to him the next day. She say, yo, if you make me go home, if you make me reach at work, you know my location. You can pick me up from work and I give you whatever you want. But please just pay me right now. She have actually trick the guy. And the guy bite and let her off because she tell the guy say later him can come and she can sleep with him. Just that she have to say to escape. So people in a yard, when the can't go around take with the young ladies them, and the next thing we'll not take the young ladies and not kill them. No one going to feel safe. I mean not pick up in a way. Because you have a lot of Jamaicans in America want to come back home and build their place and retire and they can't even do it because they're afraid. You have family members in yard, family members in Jamaica that actually rob you. We know people, when them people come down, I know people live in England long time. And when they come down, the same family members set them up, saying they've been in foreign for so long and they wasn't doing nothing for them. So they make it feel like everything is nice. When they go down, they set them up to get robbed and actually get killed. Can you believe that, man? you're overseas 30 years, 20 years, 40 years. I work so hard in cold and snow. Struggle because foreign not easy. And when you send your money come to Jamaica or send your money go to a yard, to build your place. And when they finally come down to live in your place, they work so hard over the years to make. You want to retire your home, they kill you and take your house from you. Sometimes I did before I even get to climb up the stairs. Yo, it's hurt, man, it hurt. So, viewers and subscribers, I have to leave right now because Jam Tours are waiting for me. And we have business to do, we have places to go. We're always busy, 7 days a week. You understand? So,
Yeah, we're doing jaw work, people.
doing job work. So all of you that's coming here who want to buy something in Africa, because I'm not going to tell you see how Africa safer than anywhere else. But at least you can say Africa safer than Jamaica. Yeah.
First dog.
Yeah, man, it's safer. Jamaica is my country, I love my country. Yeah, I put my country first. You understand the job? We say, I will never sell out Jamaica anywhere we go. We brand the name. More than enough for you guys, because when I was in Tanzania, I come across people who say that who come from Jamaica and they say they're not Jamaicans. They never tell people they come from Jamaica. You know when them start tell people that they're Jamaicans, when they see the hype,
Yeah.
when they come to my restaurant and they see the hype, they start tell, you know, see me a Jamaican. Yeah, I left Jamaica from me I was 5-year-old. I know I'm a 45. 45 or 50. I say, some never know say come from yard. I say, yeah, I'm not to tell people still, you know. They don't know a thing up. Yeah. I say, okay, so yeah, use Jamaica as a skateboard.
Skateboard.
Because you deny the country, you don't want to talk to a Jamaican. But you see, when you see the hype, I'm a Jamaican restaurant, people carry on the way they go on.
Yeah.
Want to jump up and say, yeah man, you're Jamaican too, you know. Where you come from, man? And call one parish name. Some of them not even come from Jamaica, they visit because their parents are Jamaicans.
Yeah.
Most of them just visit and say they're Jamaicans. So, me not bash nobody from Jamaica, me not bash anyone. Not sure if I say, yo, be careful when I do a yard, because you have people abroad want to come home and invest. Instead of people being coming to Africa and going to Asia and these countries to try to get their residency to settle, then we'd rather go to Jamaica because Jamaica is the first choice. Did you know? Yo, Jam Tours.
Yeah.
How much is up to you? Did you know that? I mean, everything I talk a facts. I talk no foolishness.
Yeah.
Did you know that when the pandemic outbreak will take place?
Yeah.
When I came to Tanzania, I come to Tanzania.
Yeah.
This is Kenya, but I was in Tanzania.
Yeah.
I come across so many Americans was coming over because I did a video.
Yeah.
Give respect for the light. So many Americans, and they said that. They asked me, why am I in Africa?
Yeah.
So that's why the Americans them keep on asking me. English, Americans, Canadians, Germans. Yeah, they must say, yeah, why am I here in Africa and not in Jamaica? So I say, this is the answer. No, the first thing I asked them, they asked me that question, and then I asked them, why are you here?
Yeah.
Yo, it gets annoying to me now.
When them ask me that,
why are you
tell them,
here?
say, yo, Marcus Garvey said, you never give up on a continent for your island.
Never give up a continent for island. Okay, me never said to them. I asked them, why are you here? They said that, they turned to me and said that they didn't have no choice. But Jamaica was their first choice.
Yeah.
But because Jamaica takes side and going at the pandemic,
Yeah.
you understand? And close on their borders and are forced to stay